We've all experienced hiccups at some point. That unexpected hic can pop up out of nowhere, catching us completely off guard. But have you ever wondered why they happen? Hiccups are caused by repetitive, uncontrollable contractions of the diaphragm, the muscle just below your lungs that helps you breathe. This quick contraction forces air to rush into your lungs, causing your vocal cords to close abruptly and produce that familiar hiccup sound. It's your body's strange way of responding to irritation or stimulation in your diaphragm or nerves. Fun fact, the medical term for hiccups is syngultus. So, what exactly causes hiccups? There are many potential triggers for hiccups, but some common ones include drinking carbonated beverages or alcohol, eating a large meal or spicy foods, swallowing too much air like when chewing gum, experiencing sudden temperature changes or emotional stress. Sometimes, hiccups seem to come out of nowhere, lasting just a few minutes before disappearing. Did you know hiccups can occur at any age? Even babies in the womb can get them. For newborns, hiccups are perfectly normal and usually not a cause for concern. Now, the big question is, how do you stop them? While there's no one-size-fits-all solution, there are several simple home remedies you can use to stop them. Here are 7 simple home remedies that can help you stop hiccups anytime you get it. Next time you get a hiccup, remember to try them. They might work for you. Number 1, breathe into a paper bag. Number 2, eat a teaspoon of sugar. Number 3, hold your breath for a few seconds. Number 4, drink a glass of cold water. Number 5, pull on your tongue gently. Number 6, bring your knees to your chest and hold the position. Number 7, try the Valsalva maneuver, which involves closing your mouth, pinching your nose, and exhaling forcefully. If none of these work, don't worry. Hiccups usually resolve on their own. However, if they persist for more than 2 days, then it might be wise to see a doctor. Hiccups are a bit bothersome, but usually nothing to worry about. Now you're equipped with tips to handle hiccups like a pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time.